with you pre-modifiers. Pre-modifiers. Modifiers which are placed after determiners but before the head of a noun or noun phrase are called pre-modifiers. Pre-modifiers. So there are different types of pre-modifiers are shown in the below mentioned examples. You know, I will be telling you some of the examples that how to use pre-modifiers. For example, number one, adjective as pre-modifiers. Then second, participle as pre-modifier. Then noun as pre-modifier. Then fourth, जो है that is most important, compound as pre-modifier. So these are four types which we use there. Then we are pre-modifying the sentence. For example, adjective as a pre-modifier. We will quote an example. First example we can quote, for example, we had a very pleasant journey this time. You know, so here is adjective. Where is adjective? Which is modifying? Pleasant. Very pleasant journey this time. One more example we can quote in this manner. We enjoyed a quite fabulous outing in the evening. Quite fabulous. You know, quite fabulous outing. You know, outing जो है that is noun. So adjective quite fabulous we are using as adjective here. Very pleasant journey. Journey is a noun. Very pleasant here. In the earlier sentence, very pleasant. This is an adjective. Here you see in the second sentence, a quite fabulous outing in the evening. So in this way we can modify some of the sentences. You see, for example, now I am going to discuss with you participle as a pre-modifier. Participle. You see, for example, the flying clouds looked like the polished strokes of a gifted artist. You know, the flying clouds. The flying clouds looked like the polished strokes of a gifted artist. So we have you polished strokes, flying. These are, participle, they flying. Participle which we are just using just to modify the sentence. You must be carefully just to when you are modifying the sentence. Then noun as pre-modifier. For example, she wanted to buy an air ticket. She wanted to buy an air ticket. So which is the noun? Ticket, air ticket. This is a noun which we are using in this sentence. So, she wanted what? To buy which thing? An air ticket. As an air ticket. So this is modified. Which is being modified? Noun is modified here. Modified. Then we will be talking about compound as a pre-modifier. Compound as a pre-modifier. For example, the office has a group of hard-working executives. Group of hard-working executives. So you see here, hard-working. This is an adjective. We are using as a compound. You see, the office has a group of. When we are talking about the group. This indicates that we are talking about the group. The office has a group of hard-working executives. However, the owner of the firm has some pretty old-fashioned attitude. Has the old-fashioned attitude. For example, he still uses out-of-date computer programming which is being used by the owner, that is outdated. So in this manner we can modify. We have to use our common sense also. We will have to use our knowledge while we are modifying the sentence. You keep in your mind that modifiers and pre-modifiers, the two terms which we use there in modifiers and pre-modifiers. So in pre-modifiers we may have different types, 4 different types as I discussed, with you. So you must keep all these things in your mind while you are modifying the sentence which have been given you there in the examination.